successful mission. And dear friends, as it was told, it is the great New Year and Christmas gift to Bharat, and we are almost at the end of 2025. The year 2025 was a very exciting year of achievement and accomplishment. We had the NISR mission, CMS-03 mission, and of course today we have got the Bluebird Block 2 mission. And other than that, lot of achievements were done. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, the next year is promising, going to be more exciting, and we have got lot of responsibility to accomplish lot of important missions. The major missions are the uncrewed Gaganyaan missions we have to accomplish, and we are getting towards that. And ISRO's launch vehicle, realized by Industrial Consortium, is ready, and we are getting ready for that launches. And our startup companies are doing great job. One of the orbital launch mission from one of the Indian startup companies targeted very shortly, maybe in couple of weeks, that is targeted. And the SSLV, already the development phase of small satellite launch vehicle is completed. We are going to start the operational phase of the small satellite launch vehicle. And one of the important commitment given to our country is the commissioning of the navigation satellites. That satellite series we are going to continue and going to start placing the satellites in the orbit. Yet another important mission is the technology demonstration satellite mission, in which we are going to demonstrate almost 30 new technologies. That mission is also targeted. And of course, we are looking for the commercial missions from NSIL. Couple of missions are already planned. And user-funded satellites for different ministries and departments we have to accomplish. And also, the government of India has given lot of new approvals, and we have to accelerate the activities related to the approved new projects like Chandrayaan 4, Chandrayaan 5, and Indian Space Station, Venus Orbiter Mission, and Next Generation Launcher, and so on. On this occasion, on behalf of Department of Space, let me also express our New Year greetings to every Indian, and once again, hearty congratulations to each and every members of the Department of Space and Space Community of India. Till we come back, we sign off. Thank you. Jai Hind.